What is Browse AI? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see what it is. So Browse AI basically helps you extract and monitor data from any website out there. All you have to do is just get the URL of that particular website and paste it on Browse AI. Over here, after that, you can select the kind of data that you want to extract from that particular website. You can also select the number of days and the any particular day when you want to extract the data from that particular website. And after that, you can also connect this particular data and extract it to Google Sheets or any other platform where you want it. And using Zapier, you can integrate it with other platforms as well. And after that, you can do all the data analytics according to your needs and preferences. And this way, you can utilize this data according to your advantage over your competitors. And this is what Browse AI is. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.